Welcome back to a brand new episode of Poppy's Vlog with me, Razel. The ingredients we will be using are chicken, boiled and shredded, potatoes, boiled and mashed, coriander, chopped, onion, chopped, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of chili, green chilies, and 1 tablespoon of curry leaves. The ingredients for the masala are garam masala, chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and black pepper powder. The ingredients for coating the cutlets are egg beaten up with salt and pepper, equal parts of rava and breadcrumbs mixed. The pan is now hot. Let's start by adding some oil in. Let's start by adding the ginger. And garlic. Saute them and add the onions. Now let's add the curry leaves, coriander leaves, and green chilies. Now let's saute them up. Add salt as per taste. Now it has cooked for 2 minutes. Let's add in the masalas. Let's add in the lime juice and chicken. Let's saute it. Just check out the spice. If it's a bit less, you can add in garam masala or black pepper powder. Now let's add in half a cup of water so that the chicken gets moist. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Now let's add in the potatoes. Now let's saute the potatoes in. Turn off the flame and let it cool. Once it's cool, give it a good mix with your hands. Make it into a ball and press it down. Put it on a plate to set. Coat it. Take the cutlet and put it in the egg, and then put it in the rava and the breadcrumbs. Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's pour in the oil and fry the cutlets. Now let's put in the cutlets. Fry on each side until golden brown. Ready. Now transfer it to a plate. delicious. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, come and grab some before they go. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and please try this recipe out. It's amazing. Peace